Hi YouTube. In a previous video I was showing you how to set up Azure Synapse Link for Cosmos DB and showing you how to query the analytical store of the Cosmos DB data. Well, while I was looking at that later on, I noticed something else I hadn't seen. So I thought I would just show you that now. So if we go into the studio, let's go into there. And I'll show you my linked services under here. Source control. It's already there. Shh, don't tell anyone. I have a video on that, and I bet Simon Whiteley does too. All right. So underneath here, I can see my storage. Sorry, I need to get into my main, my master. So in fact, that's something I didn't show in the source control video, but you can see how my resources are here. They're actually version controlled. Because when I was under my other branch, I've got less things there. That's pretty cool. Right, so going to my master branch again, refresh. Okay, something flashed there. So I've got my blob storage, my data lake, my integration sets. Okay, so just so you can see, it's just three things there. Now if I go to manage, and then I go into my link services, one of the link services I can add is Cosmos. And I'm going to choose SQL API because I think that's one I had before. Then I can just use my Cosmos DB. I'm going to pick my subscription, my account name, which was that. I had a database, it's loading. I'll choose family. Probably I must have some data in there. I can test it. There we go. And you should see that my linked services are also version controlled. So if I switch between here to my test branch, wow, no link services to show. Okay, great. So go back to here. I thought it was a bug. Okay. Now when I go back to this bit here, sorry, linked, I now see Cosmos DB and I can see my database. I can't open it up and get any further, so I can see my container, and I don't think I can get any lower than container, right? But I can click here and I can go new script. And then this is exactly the format that I would need to query it from Synapse Link. I just need to put my key in there. So I can get my key from my Cosmos DB database. I can just quickly nip across to that, go to here, go to Cosmos. There we go. Key, pop that in there. Let's just run. And if I've done everything right, there we go. Perfect. Now I've got some data. But we can probably do more, because when we clicked here, we also had new notebook. And if I do load to data frame, this is now going to spin up. Use Spark to spin up and connect to it. Now something that you'll notice in here is there is no key, and this is because it's using the link service. So it's using the authentication that I put in there. Right, hit run. Now this will take a couple of minutes to spin up the Spark cluster and then do the same. So we'll wait for that to finish, and I'll just forward the video on so you don't have to listen to me gibbering on. Yeah, all right. There we go. Easy. No coding, no nothing like that. And then there's also, we go back into here, writing the data frame to a container, creating Spark tables. So these all create template scripts. And also loading a streaming data frame from that container too. Anything to save me some work. So that's all I wanted to do on that. That's just pretty groovy, I thought. And I hadn't really noticed that was there when I was playing around with Cosmos DB Link. But even if you're not using Azure Synapse Link for Cosmos DB, this will still work. All right, great. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.